Section 1. The unpredictable Earth, a looming threat. Our planet, a magnificent sphere of life and geological wonders, holds hidden beneath its surface a force of unimaginable power. Earthquakes, born from the shifting tectonic plates that make up our planet's crust, can strike with little to no warning, leaving devastation in their wake. Buildings crumble, the ground beneath our feet becomes a churning sea, and the very fabric of our lives is shaken to its core. For centuries, humanity has lived in the shadow of these seismic giants, vulnerable to their capricious nature. We've built cities, towns, and communities, often in the very areas most prone to earthquakes. And while we've made strides in understanding the science behind these events, predicting them with accuracy remains an elusive goal. But all is not lost. In our modern age of technological marvels, a new tool has emerged, one that harnesses the power of the very devices we carry in our pockets. Earthquake detector apps, once a futuristic concept, are now a reality, offering a lifeline of information and precious seconds of warning. These apps, connected to a global network of sensors and leveraging the power of crowdsourced data, are changing the way we prepare for and respond to earthquakes. They provide a glimpse into the Earth's hidden fury, giving us a fighting chance to protect ourselves, our loved ones, and our communities when the ground begins to tremble. Section 2. Sentinels in our pockets. Earthquake detector apps to the rescue. Imagine this. You're at home, going about your day, when suddenly your phone erupts with a piercing alarm. An alert flashes across the screen. Earthquake detected. Seek cover immediately. These are the life-saving messages that earthquake detector apps can deliver, providing crucial seconds of warning before the shaking starts. But how do these apps work? They transform your smartphone into a mini seismograph, utilizing the device's built-in accelerometer to detect subtle movements in the ground. This accelerometer, typically used to determine your phone's orientation or track your steps, can also sense the telltale P waves that precede a larger earthquake. These P waves, or primary waves, travel faster than the more destructive S waves, secondary waves, that cause the majority of damage during an earthquake. By detecting these early tremors, even if they are too faint for humans to feel, these apps can provide valuable seconds or even minutes of warning before the stronger shaking arrives. Section 3. The science behind the shake: how your phone becomes a seismograph. At the heart of every earthquake detector app lies a sophisticated network of algorithms and data processing techniques. When your phone is at rest, the accelerometer constantly monitors for any slight vibrations or changes in movement. These readings are then analyzed by the app's software to differentiate between everyday movements, such as walking or placing your phone on a table, and the distinct patterns of seismic activity. Once the app detects a potential earthquake, it transmits this data, along with your location, to a central server. This server acts as the brain of the system, collecting and analyzing data from thousands, if not millions, of phones in real time. By comparing readings from multiple devices in close proximity, the system can quickly determine the location and magnitude of an earthquake. This process, known as crowdsourcing, is essential to providing accurate and timely alerts. The more people in an area who have the app installed and configured correctly, the more effective the system becomes. Section 4. Customizing your safety net. Understanding app settings. While earthquake detector apps are designed for ease of use, understanding their settings is crucial to maximizing their effectiveness. Most apps allow you to customize the sensitivity of the earthquake detection, the distance from your location for which you want to receive alerts, and the type of alerts you receive, be it sound, vibration, or both. Adjusting the sensitivity setting is key to balancing the need for timely warnings with avoiding false alarms. Setting the sensitivity too high might lead to the app triggering alerts for minor tremors or even passing trucks, whereas setting it too low could result in missing crucial warnings. Experiment with different settings to find the right balance for your location and tolerance for alerts. You can also define a radius around your location for which you wish to receive alerts. This feature is particularly useful if you live in an earthquake-prone area and want to be notified of earthquakes that might affect your loved ones or property, even if they are not in your immediate vicinity. Section 5. Real-life heroes. Stories of early warnings and lives saved. The true power of earthquake detector apps lies not just in their technological sophistication, but in their ability to make a tangible difference in people's lives. Stories abound of individuals receiving timely warnings and taking life-saving actions, all thanks to these apps. In one instance, a woman in California was awakened in the dead of night by an alert on her phone. Realizing the impending danger, she quickly woke her family and they took cover under a sturdy table just seconds before the shaking began. Their home sustained damage, but they escaped unharmed, grateful for the precious warning that had given them time to react. In another case, a group of hikers exploring a remote mountainous region received an alert on their phones, warning them of a significant earthquake nearby. Heeding the warning, they immediately evacuated to a safer location. Shortly after, a massive landslide, triggered by the earthquake, cascaded down the mountain, burying the very path they had been on just moments before. The app and their quick thinking had saved their lives. Section 6. Be prepared, stay safe. The importance of earthquake awareness and technology. In a world where natural disasters can strike with terrifying unpredictability, knowledge is power, and preparedness is our greatest defense. Earthquake Detector apps, with their ability to harness the power of technology and crowdsource data, represent a significant leap forward in our quest to mitigate the risks posed by earthquakes. But these apps are just one piece of the puzzle. It's crucial to remember that technology is most effective when combined with education and proactive planning. Familiarize yourself with earthquake safety procedures, create a disaster preparedness kit for your home and family, and participate in earthquake drills. By embracing a multifaceted approach to earthquake preparedness, one that combines technological innovation with individual responsibility and community resilience, we can create a safer future for ourselves and generations to come. Let's use all the tools at our disposal, including the remarkable power of earthquake detector apps, to navigate the unpredictable nature of our planet and build a more resilient world.